Hey YouTube, how you doing? Just sending out another post. I think this is my seventh post, but anyways, I over the past day I was just taking a look at what kind of video editing software there was out there. I'm sure I'll have to do some intro and outro and some edits, jump cuts, and that type of thing. I did a bit of other research towards script writing, or at least uh, you know, preparing what it is I'm going to say, and so then I'll prepare for doing my jump cuts and providing better audio and like a little bit more flow for my videos. In any case, I just moments ago installed a program called DaVinci Resolve, and it's version 16. So that seems to be one of the better free video editors. So I just actually I kind of figured out how to show you it with myself in a little inlay there. Actually, I figured out how to turn myself off here. So let's turn me off. And so this is what the layout of Resolve looks like, DaVinci Resolve, and I just stuck one of my old intro concept, my logo concept from ages ago. I can't even remember when I made this, but you'll see in the timeline that it just kind of brings my Jangaman logo in, and there's a little bit of a sound effect there as well, but when I play it doesn't really. Well, it doesn't really sound, but I'll figure that out. So I just wanted to show you that, and you know, get started on doing some work in this program, and also with the script writing. I know that for the first posts that I'm doing in this channel, I just wanted to go dead simple and just and go for more for quantity rather than quality at the beginning, just to get myself in the mode of posting. And then I'm sure that after I reach whatever level that is, maybe on my 10th post, then I'll start doing something a little bit different and start making more edited videos, and hopefully it'll be a little more towards what this channel is meant to be, and figured out exactly what it was meant to be. Anyways, I'll also say that I watched a few videos, kind of, I guess, towards the line of motivation videos for YouTube, and why people should immediately start a YouTube channel, just because it is one of the let's say the second biggest search engine. That's what a lot of people say, and that's true. I mean, it was a big purchase when Google bought YouTube, and they did it for a reason. So people that are searching generally for video content, let's say they ask a question, they want it in video format, and I find that's kind of I do that myself, so I just hope that a lot of this inspiration is not lost on me, and that I continue doing what it is I'm doing here, and get better at posting. The logo, I guess I'm not sure if I'm going to use this one. I'll probably figure out something else, do like a quick intro, and then get my logo in there. I know that some people tailor like a elaborate kind of intro segment with music, and for me, if it lasts more than a few seconds, then I find it to be too long. So I just want to do like something that's 2 seconds, shows what the brand is. In this case, I've already named it. Actually, Jangyman is the name I've used for years and years online. Well, for online gaming, I'm sure anyone can pretty much predict. But anyways, that's the channel name. You could call me Jangs, and and hopefully you know, some you can provide a comment and or ask a question or whatever it is, or just some feedback, or send me a like if you can, and I'll appreciate that. And I'll catch you next time. Hopefully I'll know a little bit more about this program and maybe even edit something. All right, talk soon.